Transparent concrete, how light-transmitting buildings actually work. Have you ever seen a wall made of concrete that actually glows? Or a thick structural panel that lets sunlight pass straight through it? It sounds impossible, but it's real, and it's called transparent concrete. Today we're diving into how this futuristic material works, where it's used, and whether it will change the future of building design. From underground metro stations that feel naturally lit to artistic facades that create stunning night silhouettes, transparent concrete is quietly becoming one of the most surprising innovations in modern architecture. What is transparent concrete? So first, what exactly is transparent concrete? Well, it's not really transparent like glass. Instead, it's a solid concrete block that can transmit light from one side to the other. This is done by embedding thousands of optical fibers or light-transmitting elements inside the concrete mixture. The result is a structural material that looks completely opaque, until light hits it, revealing shapes, shadows, or patterns glowing through the surface. How does it work? Here's the magic behind it. Optical fibers carry light through total internal reflection. This means when light enters one side of a fiber, it travels along the fiber and exits the other end with minimal loss. When these fibers are arranged in straight lines across a concrete block, they create tiny light highways. Even though the concrete itself can't transmit light, the fibers do all the work, giving the entire surface a glowing, transparent effect. And because the fibers only take up about 3% to 5% of the volume, the block maintains almost the same strength as normal concrete. Manufacturing process. Transparent concrete is usually made in a controlled factory setting. The mold is filled layer by layer. First, a thin layer of concrete is poured, then a precise layer of optical fibers is placed, followed by another layer of concrete, and so on. After the panel is cured, it's cut and polished so the fibers align perfectly from one side to the other. This careful process is why transparent concrete is still more expensive than traditional materials, but the visual effect is truly unmatched. Where is it used? Today, transparent concrete is used in architectural facades that glow at night, interior walls that transmit natural light into dark spaces, museums and galleries for artistic installations, safety applications like guiding lights along pathways, underground stations where it helps reduce the feeling of confinement. One of the coolest uses is in public buildings where silhouettes of people walking behind a wall create dynamic, living art. Advantages and limitations. The advantages? You get natural daylight, reduced energy usage, modern aesthetics, and strong structural performance. But there are limitations. It's pricey, manufacturing takes time, and large structural loads still require traditional reinforcement. Still, as production becomes cheaper, we may see transparent concrete become as common as laminated glass. So that's how transparent concrete works, an incredible blend of engineering, optics, and design. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more videos about future construction materials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what topic you want next.